dkdynamics presents Movie Box by RABH.
Hello friends, I am Rob, coming back with some more new and fantastic projects. So friends, as we all know that as we are children, we all like cartoons. This is the biggest fantasy of every children on the earth. So friends, as we are children, we always like to watch the cartoons, and most of you have watched the Doraemon or the Shinchan. Even though when I was a children in 4th or 5th class, I used to create my own cartoon character and I named that cartoon character Shikataru. So friends, all we like to watch the cartoon. So friends, do you like to make your own cartoon? Your own cartoon character made by you. You can make this cartoon by using the wastes or the easily available material around you. Yes friends, now you can make your own cartoon. So friends, I was also having a fantasy of making my own cartoon character, a moving cartoon. So friends, do you know that how these cartoon characters are created? So cartoon character is just an animation of various frames of a single picture. So Disney as well as the other cartoon serials used to create the various frames of a single picture, and when these frames are moved at a high speed, our persistence of vision used to create these as a moving cartoon characters. So friends, using this perspective of vision, we can create our own cartoon character. So friends, for making this movie box, which is also known as geodrop, we require this box of about 7 by 7 inches cube, which we can get in the home easily. Then we require a motor as well as the light source or the LED, which is connected together to a battery source. And here we have created a window which is about 1 centimeter by 4 centimeter. Then friends, we have to make this black slit which is about having 12 slits in it, of about 3 centimeters by 0.5 centimeter. And here we are having a circular disc of 5 inches so that it can easily fit in the box. And here we are having the cartoon animations of a riding horse. We can choose from a variety of animations and we can make it of our own choice. So friends, for making a cartoon animation, we require this slit, and I have made a white line here, and we have to fix this white line using a fevistick like this. We have to place this on this disc like this, as you can see. And here we will use some fevistick to stick it. Okay, so friends, the slit must fix with the disc, neither too tightly and not too loose. So friends, we have to then fix this in the movie box. So friends, I am now going to fix this slit. So here I am using fevistick. Or you can use any other adhesive material, and then we have to place this slit over this disc like this. So friends, I have fitted this disc inside the box, and we have sticked our animation also, and now I am going to place this animation inside the box. Okay, now we have to apply the 9-volt battery here, and this will start rotating. So friends, this is how we have made our movie box, and if you have any queries, we are providing this kit which are having all the required components to make this movie box, and by making this movie box we can win the prize. And I think by making this movie box we are learning more about the optics and as well as of the persistence of vision, which you are going to study in your higher classes. So for making for this movie box is provided by the site dkdynamics, and I'm going to come back with some more videos. Until then, thank you, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com and like us on YouTube and share our video. Thank you.